Now, I just thought I'd show you what we use to start the extension off. Obviously we've got the concrete all down now. So this is the trench block that I was telling you about, which will be the first course that goes around the footing. Move that there. So usually these will get brought out at 300mm wide. This is actually a 350. So it usually maps out. So you get these in nice and level off your concrete. I'll show you around the back in a minute. So you get your courses of brick going round, and then you'll get your course of concrete block going round, and usually you'll go flush and flush there, and that sets out your cavity. Now that's a 150 cavity, which for the new building regs is what you need if you're filling it with the cavity wool insulation. Now we're using the 97mm PIR board now, which is just a standard trench block, but I think the builder's yard only had these ones in, that's why they've sent these bigger ones. And then you can set your cavity out to that. But having put these all the way around, it's just something nice for the bricklayers to work to. I'll go into more detail with that when we start the brickwork, but I'll take you around the back now and show you what the bricklayers got up to. So it's all up to damp course level now. So as you can see, these are the trench blocks that I've just been showing you around the front, and then this brickwork and this block work have been built up all the way around at the same height as the existing floor level inside. So we just got to dig this gully out, which is in the slab. So I thought I'd show you how we get rid of these and how we cap it off. All we'll be doing is digging around this till we find the pipe, and then putting this onto the pipe and then capping it off with that. So I'll dig this out first. Yeah, you cut it. Show you that. So now just clean that up a little bit. So that's just a cap end that I've put inside that one, and tighten this Jubilee clip up. And then that I'll just push over there. Tighten that up again. And that's it, that's capped off. So from this bit here to where that steel is, or just in front, this is going to be where the bifold doors are. So we've actually stepped the block work in so that when we do concrete the base can go right up to the bricks
We will have some insulation up against the bricks, which I'll show you in the next video, but for now that's just to show you what we do from the concrete. So if you can fit a couple of courses of the trench blocks in, as long as the ground cover, this ground level will cover, obviously you don't want to be looking at the edge of that grey block. And then these bricks need to be F2, which is like a frost resistance. So the F2 is the best that you can get. These bricks have been matched with the house brick, which is what you always want to do. If sometimes you can't get the same bricks to match, you'll get a good brick match, but you won't get, sometimes you can't get the bricks which will go below damp level basically. So you'd have to do it in like a red or like a grey blue engineering brick and then build above in your face brick. But the bricks that we've chose are F2, so we've been able to build it. So that just basically means that the bricks will go from ground level all the way up to roof height, and that way it all matches.